Welcome to Claire's Kitchen. This is just a show I'm doing for myself because I'm sick and slightly delusional. Yay, and I'm making pancakes from scratch, so I thought I'd film it. So today we're making vegan pancakes. On this recipe, it says we need 4 cups of flour. That's about time. So we're gonna half it all? No. Yeah, we'll half it all. So got my flour, got my cup. Also, I washed my hands, so we're good. Also, are you ready? We'll take them all, please. Let's go back. I dyed my hair. Look how, all I did was add some, highlights. So now I'm a basic bitch. Okay, now what do we need? 2 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons, baking soda, but we halved it, so, 3 tablespoons of baking powder. So we need 1.5 tablespoons. We have this thing, I don't know the accuracy of it. Kinda honestly sketches me out because I think in my mind that it hides some of the stuff in its crevices, and so we're not getting a even measurement of it all. And so those are my fears in life. So yeah, you're welcome. This is winging it, so that's what I'm doing. That was 2, maybe 1.5. I don't know. What else do we need? This is orange juice. Two teaspoons of baking soda. We only need 1 though. Okay. Sing the songs we sang, and then this is gonna be a botched job, guys. I know. My phone's probably about to die too, so I need to hurry up. Okay, it says a teaspoon of salt. What type was that? Alright, there's construction people next door. We're fine! So we need 1/2 teaspoon. Ooh. I'm okay with that. 3 tablespoons of sugar, which means 2. Wait. No, not 2. What am I thinking? 1.5 again, because I'm halving a recipe. So I never do any recipe. Choose the right recipe. Yeah. Alright. And then I like to make things complicated on myself. I'm gonna add some vanilla because that's gonna be better. Obviously. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna uncap this imitation vanilla because real vanilla is expensive, and go. Yep, that's what I did. Some frozen applesauce. Let's get a spoon. I bet the bottom is not frozen. This is a jig spoon. Ooh, it's like a slushy. It's slushy applesauce. That's weird, and I'm okay with it. My computer turned off. We're gonna go boop. And boop. I'm comfortable with that amount. A cup of milk, that seems excessive. I'm gonna pour some and see what happens. We have our milk. Oh, we're gonna need a lot more milk. Okay. Let me get down low. Way more milk! You know what I think we also need more of is vanilla extract. I think we just need to look. Ooh, wow. Okay, we're done. This going back up in here. Okay, over. I'm gonna mess this up. But we're gonna just keep adding milk, pretending nothing's wrong. So, still pretty dang thick. I'm worried. Okay, also I have that shake and make pancake mix in my pantry. I just want to make this more complicated on myself and make it myself. Yeah, because I want to prove to myself I'm an independent woman who can make some pancakes out of scratch. That's a little too thick. I agree. I just keep adding milk. I think this is what I should be doing because I really didn't follow that recipe. But recipes, they're there to guide us, but really we don't have to follow them all that much. That's a lie. In baking, you should follow the recipe most of the time. But I think with pancakes, you can usually turn out okay. Get the frying pan. Oh my gosh, it said add oil, the canola oil. So ooh. She is a tablespoon, but did we have this or did we? Tablespoon. We're gonna do tablespoon. Did it. Just gonna make it better. Because when you add oils, anything, it makes it better. Ooh. Maybe. It's not mixing terrifically. I've never added freaking oil to. Oh. It smells like pancakes now though. I've added oil. Let me get the pan started so then we can taste it and make sure it's not rank. Oh, that was loud. I freaking hate pans, I spin. Oh, I did it. I didn't catch myself on fire. This is warm enough. Let me pour some. We're gonna pour some batter on the pan and taste the pancake. The spatula. Okay. Ooh, he's a pale one, but you know, probably okay. It's rising okay. Has a lot of bubbles in it. That's what makes me nervous. Did I add too much baking soda? Did I mix it wrong? Let's see. Ooh, she's fluffing out. I'll bring you over to her. Oh, did I pause it? Okay. Hey, we're here at my skillet, and that's my white as can be pancake. I'm a chef. That side of her is pretty and tan. Ooh, crisp. What makes her more crispy? What did I do? Probably a lot of things. We're just gonna take a bite. Smells like a pancake. Mmm. Still kind of raw in the middle. But by George, I think I did it. I think I made a pancake. I'll link the pancake recipe that I got from Pinterest down below and tell you the substitutes I did, because I added applesauce instead of eggs. I halved it all. Then I did soy milk instead of actual milk. And then I added some vanilla into it. I think that's all I did. And this needs butter on it. It just tastes like a pancake. This is already 8 minutes long. My other thing was already like 10 minutes long. It's gonna be a long ass video. Oh, it's a good pancake. Cool. Bye.